Hello everybody, let's solve Leetcode 2924. This is tagged as a medium difficulty problem, but it's pretty easy problem to solve. Let's understand the question from the following two graphs. So we are given, let us look at this graph. We have three teams, team 0, team 1 and team 2. What this graph represents is team 1 is stronger than team 2 and team 0 is stronger than team 1. So we can see in the tournament, team 0 would be winning this particular competition. And in this graph, so our answer here is 0. Team 0 is the winner. And in this graph, we can see from the edges that team 1 is stronger than 3 and 2. Team 0 is stronger than 2, but we don't know the relationship between 0 and 1, that who would win between 0 and 1. So in this case, we don't know the answer, and the answer we need to turn is -1. So how do we go about solving this problem? As we can see, whoever is the winner, there are no in degrees. In degree means there is no edge which is pointing to the winners. For example, here, there is only one node which is having 0 as its in degree. Hence, this is the straightforward answer. But in this graph, there are two nodes, node 1 and node 0, to which both of them are having no in degree present. That's why there is an ambiguity and we return -1 for this problem. Now, in our coding section, all we need to do is we maintain an in degree. That means a vector of size of number of nodes itself. And we see this edge 0, 1 edge would increase in degree to 1, initialize to all 0, and slowly, as from this edge, we increment a 1 here. And because of this edge, we increment a 1 here. And from this answer, we can see only 0 is the only one which doesn't have any in degree. That's why this is our champion. But in this case, 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, node 1 has 0 in degrees, node 0 has 0 in degrees, node 3 has 1, and node 2 has 2 of them pointing inside it. Hence, here the ambiguity comes that there are multiple nodes with 0 as in degree and we return -1. We'll see how to code this problem. Okay, so let's start coding the logic which we just discussed. First, we will define a vector called in degree, in which we'll save how many in degrees are present for each node, initialize it to all of them as 0. Now, for each edge, that is edge from edges, for each edge, I will increment the in degree of which it is getting pointed to. So edge of 1. That means the second element. If a comma b is 0 comma 1 is the edge, that means 0 is pointing to 1. Means that's why edge of 1 in degree is incremented. Okay. Now that's it. With this loop, we have our in degree set. Now what we need to do is I want to see how many answers are present. How many answers means how many zeros are present in the in degree. And I'll initialize the current answer as -1. Now for int I will traverse the whole in degree array. I is less than n and I plus plus. If in degree If in degree of I is equal to 0, that means this is an answer. I will do count of answers, increment the count of answer, and I'll also set the answer as I here. Okay, now if my count of answers is equal to 1, that is only we found one answer, that is good. We'll return the answer. But if the count of answers is more than 1, that means there is an ambiguity and we return -1. Let's run and see. Okay. Yeah, it is accepted. Thank you, everyone.